Hi guys, I got 3 packages in the mail yesterday, but I was too exhausted to do a unboxing, but I still wanted to see what I got, so I opened them, but I wanted to show you out of those packages of what I got. 2 of them were Whatnot, and 1 was Highland Crystal, so I'm going to start with Whatnot, and then I'm going to end with Highland. The first Whatnot order I got was, I can't remember, I think it was Juicy Gems. And I got 2 items that I saw really good, man, my words are not coming out right now. But I saw 2 items that they had that I liked, and here they are. This one, it's hard to see it. Get the flashlight out. Is a mixture of yellow tiger's eye and blue tiger's eye with a little bit of quartz. And I think I got this for $2. And then I got this, which is the 4th piece of malachite that I own, but it is the 2nd sphere of this size. This one's a little cooler because it's got more play with the different shades. This I got for $5. And then the second Whatnot order was from Jess at MCS Crystal Emporium. We'll start with the giveaway. How about that? She sent me, not in the giveaway, these were just little extras she sent me for fun. This is what kind of looks like volcano agate. And then another little crystal sticker. And then she sent as a giveaway this little, of course, slipped right out of my hand, Dream Amethyst. Druzy Dream Amethyst tower, which has a little bit of a UV reaction. And then also part of the freebie giveaway, carnelian egg, which I absolutely love, and also has a little bit of a UV reaction. And then she sent with the giveaway and little freebie stickers a little obsidian star. And I'm pretty sure this is a 3D printed cat. You know how Jess is into the spooky things, so she sent some Halloween-like stuff. And then I bought this Euperlite sphere, which I believe is the biggest piece of Euperlite I own now. There's the biggest UV reaction on it, which is absolutely beautiful. But it also has like this little bit of blue reaction in it, and some green and gray. And then I also got, which I accidentally bid on a dream amethyst sphere, but I didn't mean to, and I told Jess, and she switched out the sphere that I really wanted, which is this. It said OJ Jasper, but it looks like moss agate with a little bit of OJ, but I'm not 100% sure, because that part looks a lot like moss agate with the druzy, but then this back side looks like ocean jasper. So I'm thinking it's a mix. I don't think any of it has, oh yeah, even this little part right here has a little UV reaction, which a lot of druzy parts do tend to have a little UV reaction. But I love that. Look at that deep druzy gouge. It doesn't really have a lot of flash or anything, but anything druzy, you know how I am. I go nuts for it. And that was my order, my second whatnot order from Jess. And then Highland, I bought a volcano agate skull, and they originally had it at 2 scoops, but in the hour of need, when they needed one last scoop for their quota, Ian dropped it down to 1 scoop for me, because I couldn't afford a 2 scoop. And it has some major UV reaction in it. It's a little hard to tell on the face because of this camera, but you can see that the druzy part, it is just lighting up. And even on the backside, that little crack in it has good UV. Oh. And that's it. Not a bad haul. All right, you guys have a great evening. Bye.